If this shows up on camera. Hey guys, this is Prep Pro 2717. I just wanted to shoot a quick video about just kind of an unboxing video. I've been waiting for a couple of days for this package to come, and FedEx just dropped it off. I already cut it open, but I haven't actually cracked it open yet, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. The GoPro HD Hero 2. Super excited about this. What? Camera? Yeah, camera, buddy. And a couple of little extras. This is their LCD backpack. A couple of different mounting options. This is the head strap, so I can look super awesome like that guy with this thing tied to my noggin. What else do we have? We have an extra battery, because I'm going to be recording everything with this. Of course, stickers, because you know I'll be sticking these all over my kids. And then a 32 gig SanDisk HD card. And then a packing list. Oh man, I've been waiting for this packing list. Super excited about that. So I just thought we'd share that with you. Thanks for watching.